Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best toys and collectibles for your little ones. Today, we're excited to introduce the best Black Ariel Mermaid Doll, the Disney Junior Pop Tales Ariel 7-inch doll by Just Play. If your child is a fan of Ariel from the Little Mermaid they are going to absolutely love this vibrant and fun doll set. Standing at 7.5 inches tall, the Ariel doll is the perfect size for small hands, making it easy for kids to play and interact with her in all sorts of imaginative ways. What's really special about this doll is the variety of accessories that come with her. This doll is inspired by Disney Junior's hit show featuring Ariel as a mermaid princess, and it brings a whole new level of creativity to the classic character. Inside the box, you'll find Ariel herself, 2 interchangeable tail fashions, 3 different fins, a peplum top, a tiara, and a carrying case. This set gives kids the opportunity to mix and match the pieces to create their own unique mermaid looks for Ariel, which adds a whole new level of fun to playtime. The soft sculpted wardrobe pieces have colorful, shimmery finishes that really stand out, and the tail fins even make a fun, pop, sound when they're snapped into place, adding a sensory element to the experience. One of the most exciting aspects of this doll is how easy it is for young children to dress her. The wardrobe pieces and fins are simple to remove and put back on, making this a great toy for children as young as 3 years old. Kids can help style Ariel in endless ways, sparking their creativity and allowing them to invent their own undersea adventures. Whether she's attending an under-the-sea party or embarking on a magical adventure, this doll is sure to capture your child's imagination. For parents looking for a toy that offers more than just simple play, the Pop Tales Ariel doll is also great for encouraging storytelling. With all of the accessories and mix-and-match outfits, your child can create their own mermaid tales and take Ariel on a journey through the ocean. And since it's inspired by Disney Junior's Ariel it brings that familiar charm that kids know and love, with a few fresh twists for modern-day play. If you're looking for a gift for a child who loves mermaids or Disney princesses, the Disney Junior Pop Tales Ariel doll makes a fantastic choice. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or any special occasion, this doll is sure to delight kids aged 3 and up. And, since it's part of a larger collection, you can also collect additional dolls and playsets to expand the underwater world of Ariel. In summary, the Disney Junior Pop Tales Ariel doll by Just Play is a fantastic addition to any toy collection. With its colorful, shimmery designs, fun sensory elements, and endless mix-and-match possibilities, it's sure to provide hours of creative play. So, if you're looking for the perfect mermaid-themed toy that combines fashion, fun, and a bit of Disney magic, look no further than this adorable Ariel doll. That's all for today's review here at Product Critique. If you're interested in getting this toy for your child, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews of the best kids toys out there. Until next time, happy playing!